Hey there, what if you could try Zoho Creator's upcoming features before their official release? With the early access features, now you can. Available under the Operations module, this functionality lets selected users explore beta features, test them in real scenarios, and share feedback before public rollout. The super admin and admins of the account can self-enroll. See the available feature cards and enable the preferred ones. The feature card displays the feature name, a brief description, current release status, and a toggle button to enable or disable the access. In cases where features don't have the disable option, that'll be mentioned in the pop-up message before you confirm the enablement. Once enabled, you can see the details above the description. The feature card also highlights where the feature is located within the product for testing. You can access the feature and test it from there. Additionally, the card shows the key capabilities of the feature and links to the relevant help documents and videos. After testing, share your suggestions directly by choosing the feedback type and describing your feedback. You can also access the feedback history from here. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email. Your feedback will be routed to the respective support agent automatically and will be reviewed before the feature is rolled out for general use. Upon release, the card updates the published date and time. It'll remain available for a while before being moved from the page. Start using Early Access feature today for faster feature adoption, improved product experience, and to ensure early problem resolution. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about Zoho Creator and press the bell icon to get notified whenever a new video releases. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.